this COVID situation kind of reminds me like when a kid diarrheas in a pool at Lifetime Fitness. And the lifeguards are like, okay, everyone just get out of the pool. We'll clean the diarrhea. You can all jump back in, okay? And then, but the anti-maskers are the ones who are in the middle of the pool saying, no, you can't kick me out. I paid for a membership here. Okay, you're not gonna curb my civil, there's diarrhea all around. You're not gonna curb my civil liberties by kicking me out with your commie diarrhea policy. And people on the side of the pool are like, bro, we'd all love to be in the pool.